Will the good sponsor yield to a few questions?
Yes, Madam Speaker. My pleasure.
Thank you. I raise some concerns about Benguet Electric Cooperative. And this is an issue that was raised by Chairman Marco in one of the Committee on Energy hearings. May I know, Madam Speaker, who is the current General Manager of the Benguet Electric Cooperative, or the BENECO?
Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague, I'm trying to get the name. Just a few seconds. Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague, the Benguet Electric Cooperative has an OIC right now, OIC General Manager by the name of Engineer Licoben.
So the current General Manager is Engineer Mel Licoben.
That is right, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague.
May we know what the position of Attorney Marie Rafael? Madam Speaker, the reason for why I ask this question is that there appears to be a situation in the BENECO where there are two general managers at this point. So one is Engineer Mel Licoben, who was elected by the board of the BENECO, and another one, who is Attorney Marie Rafael, and Attorney Rafael was elected by the board of the NEA. So we would like to seek clarification, Madam Speaker, whether this information that we received is correct, that there are two general managers at this point.
Well, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague, recently endorsed, appointed by NEA-BOA, but on that issue, the Department of Energy cannot really comment because of a petition of a TRO before the Court of Appeals.
So you confirm that there is such a situation, Madam Speaker?
Yes, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague, we confirm that there is such a situation, but the Department of Energy would rather not talk about it because of a pending.
So, Madam Speaker, you are invoking the sub judice rule and would rather not
Yes, Madam
respond
Speaker.
to my query. But when I asked you at the onset, who is the current general manager of the BENECO, and you answered that it is Engineer Mel Licoben, the person who was elected by the board of BENECO, which is consistent with the NEA memo number 2017-035 with the subject revised policy on the selection, hiring, termination of service/suspension for general managers of electric cooperatives, 3rd Division, of which has a provision II number 2 that states the board of directors of an electric cooperative shall appoint or terminate the service/suspend a GM in accordance with the guidelines set forth by the NEA. So it would seem, Madam Speaker, and we would like confirmation from the good sponsor that the DOE is mindful of this memorandum circular and therefore recognizes Engineer Mel Licoben as the general manager of BENECO. May we get a confirmation? Is that a correct understanding of the situation, Madam Speaker?
Well, as far as the Department of Energy, it is a fact that Engineer Licoben is the one, but Department of Energy is not judging. So we're just stating the facts. That Engineer Licoben is the one there right now.
So Engineer Mel Licoben is the one that has signing authority, for example. Is that correct?
Yes, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague.
And it is Engineer Mel Licoben that receives the salaries that would be due to the general manager of the BENECO.
Yes, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague. Yes, it is because of the temporary restraining order.
All right, so if that's the situation, I suppose that the BENECO is being run properly. Is that a correct assessment, Madam Speaker, that there is regularity in the management of BENECO? Is that a correct assessment, Madam Speaker?
Well, as of now, the Department of Energy will look into that, and we will give a proper assessment as soon as possible, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague.
And Madam Speaker, may we request a written submission from the DOE to explain the situation of Engineer Mel Licoben, and again, highlighting that they recognize Engineer Mel Licoben as the duly elected General Manager of BENECO.
Madam Speaker, distinguished colleague, the Department of Energy will submit what the department can submit on condition on the rule of sub judice.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker and distinguished sponsor.